Next here, column matrix students here. Here only matrix we are defining only column, that is column matrix. So means it should has the only one column students. So irrespective of rows. So rows are here students here. Suppose here you consider here we have 2 rows students here. Here we have 3 rows students here. Here again we having, so we represented up to the what here students m rows. So irrespective of rows, there should be the only one column is known as students here column matrix. The number of rows may be any integer, nothing but students here any number of rows, that is meant by any integer, nothing but students already you know any value you can give up to the n. But the number of columns is always what students here 1. Now row matrix students. So row is nothing but students here strictly we are defining row means the matrix belongs to the only row. It consisting of only one row. Means students what should you understand here? So what are the elements we have written only in a row, that is in a horizontal line. So it may consisting of students here or it may comprises any number of columns. So see students, this is a one column, second column, third column, fourth column like this students, but your row is only one. So here is also students we having up to n we have defined. Like this you can see this is only one row, but we have n columns students here. So here see students 1, 2, 3 columns. So from all these you need to understand that any number of columns but only one row. Rectangular matrix students. So in its own meaning by using the plane geometry or you studied in what your coordinate geometry, you are very well known. So rectangular is nothing but students here. So whatever the quadrilateral you have considered, so only parallel sides are equal. So it has a length and breadth students here. Commonly one side is more than the what students here, another side. So that is called as a rectangular students here. The two parallel sides must be equal and in which one side is greater than the what students, another side of the parallel lines. So like that commonly you can understand students, you are very well known about that regard. So now you just see here what happens students here, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. But we have only 2 rows students here. So here nothing but students here number of columns more than the number of rows. Here see students here we have only 2 columns but rows 1, 2, 3, 4. So clearly you need to understand only in one term. When number of rows not equal to the number of column, it is known as or it is said to be a rectangular matrix. The matrix which consisting of the rows and as well as the columns but they are not equal is known as what students here? Rectangular matrix. So that is here see students here contains more than one element and a number of rows is not equal to the number of columns students. Means here this is also students here for entrance purpose common concept here one element. Why? Because of one element when you have given students here, so you cannot say that it is a rectangular matrix because of rows and equal to the what here columns. So rows and columns are equal, we can say 1 by 1. So that is why it is not defined with respect to the what students here rectangular matrix. So come to the next 2 points students here, square matrix. So according to its meaning, as we said before in rectangular we have defined, then out there differ, but here all sides are equal students here. That is why number of rows are equal to number of columns in simple way. A square matrix has an order m. Why? Because of students here commonly we can say order is m by n. But here m is equal to n. So that is why if we say as an order m or otherwise as order n is nothing but it is the same students. The principle of main diagonal is a square matrix is composed all elements aij for which I equal to j students here. So which we can take as a principal diagonal students here. So the element which is attaining or which is present students here as I equal to j means here the element whatever you can take the position of element wherever row equal to what students here column. So that is why that is called as the aij. So now see students here whatever the diagonal matrix is given. Now here see students here 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 1 nothing but a here diagonal matrix nothing but a students here only diagonal elements are there students here. So other than diagonal students what happens non-diagonal The all non-diagonal elements are what, students, here? Zeros. All non-diagonal elements are what, students, here? Zeros. So which is known as the diagonal matrix, student. Diagonal matrix means what, students? You can understand. Only thing is other than diagonal. Simply non-diagonal elements are zero, students. So this is, we can say like this mathematically. Aij equal to 0 for all I is not equal to j, students. See here I equal to j, 1, 1. But here, student, 0 is seen. Here first row, second column. Means what, students? I equal to 1, j equal to 2. So the same thing, students, here. I equal to 1, j equal to 3. So that is why, students, here you can support to this mathematical notation that Aij equal to 0 for all I is not equal to j. So Aij is not equal to 0 for some or all I equal to j, students. Here what is meant by this is, students, here? Here diagonal is also, students, here. According to its meaning, you need to strictly understand here, students, here. Other than diagonal means we can say common definition, non-diagonal elements are 0, students, here. What do you say? Non-diagonal elements are 0. It is meant by maybe the diagonal elements also 0. So we cannot say always the diagonal elements are present. So that is inside meaning, students, you need to understand. That is giving by mathematical notation, students. Come to the next point. So unit and or identity matrix, students, here. So here unit nothing but already you know it is a 1. So that is why. So other than diagonal, all elements are 0, students. We can say non-diagonal elements are 0. So in diagonal, students, we can represent by all unity. So that is why it is known as what, students, here? Unit or identity matrix, students, here. So the same thing by mathematical notation we can write Aij equal to 0 for all I is not equal to j. So see, students, a diagonal matrix with ones means what here? So the diagonal element, principal diagonal elements consisting of. Otherwise, students, say the elements of principal diagonal all are equal to 1. All are equal to unity. So that is why it is known as what, students, here? Unity or identity matrix. So Aij equal to 1, students, here for some all I equal to j. So that is why, students, here 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So that is we have only 1, students. So null, students, are 0 matrix in its meaning only already it is showing. So you can take a columns or whatever it is the row matrix, students, here. Also you can take some m by n order. So all elements are 0, students, here. All elements in the matrix are 0. So that is Aij equal to 0 for all I comma j. This is a mathematical notation, students. So here triangular matrix, students. So in triangular matrix, students, we have the two cases, that is upper triangular matrix and as well as the lower triangular matrix, students, here. So here easily to understand, students, here a square matrix whose elements below the main diagonal are all 0. This is, students, it is meant by. This is the main diagonal, nothing but a principal diagonal, students, here. See. So below the principal diagonal, all elements are showing what, students, here? 0. Therefore, it is known as what, students, here? Upper triangular matrix. Here similarly, students, here lower triangular matrix, nothing but a, students, here the elements means what? The square matrix whose elements above the main diagonal all 0. Here see. This is the main diagonal or principal diagonal, students, here. Above this is zeros are, here 0 is there. So the common definition upper triangular matrix, nothing but a C. So below the elements below the what, students, here main diagonal is 0. Here lower triangle is nothing but a, students, here. So the elements above the principal diagonal is 0, students, here. Now scalar matrix, students. Scalar is nothing but, students, here quantity. So commonly quantity we can take means whatever integer you can take, students, whatever number you can take. So here a diagonal matrix whose main diagonal elements are equal to the what, students, here same scalar. Here whatever the scalar, nothing but it is a number, students. You can take any number. So that is nothing but it should be the what here? Similar. Scalar, nothing but, students, here we can take a same. So a scalar is defined as a single number or constant. So we can write like this, students, here. So other than diagonal, automatically the non-diagonal elements all are 0. And in principal diagonal, students, whatever the elements are there, all are same. So 1, 1, students, here. Same thing you can see here is also 6, 6, 6. So all are equal, students, here. We can define.